Hey everybody, Ray here. You know, in the past I've done a few videos about dust collection and I've worked with the Cen-Tec people before. But I want to show you today what, in my opinion, is the best and most complete budget dust collection system that you can have for a small shop or a garage. I wish I'd have had this thing 10 years ago. I'm going to go through all the components, what you get with the kit. We're going to talk about the price. We're going to talk about that price compared to what you get with other dust collection systems, and they don't even stack up anywhere near this system. So if you think you're interested in that, stick around. We'll go through all this stuff. I'm pretty excited about it. I want to start out by being completely transparent. The Cen-Tec company did send me this dust separator kit to look at. My relationship with Cen-Tec started about a year and a half or so ago when I actually did a review because I had bought their hose and their quick click adapters. I did that video, I posted it, and then I actually sent it to the Cen-Tec people and I said, hey, I think you've got a great product. I thought you might want to see this. In response, Ray Storty, who's the president of Cen-Tec, got a hold of me and said, hey, I looked at your dust collection system. I think you could use a better separator. I'll send you one if you'd like to have it. He never asked me to review it. He just offered it to me and he sent it to me. And it's the same with this. He said, I've got some new products. I'd like you to look at them and tell me what you think. You don't have to do anything more than that. There's no pressure here. I just want your thoughts. I think they make great products and they make them based on what the consumer is looking for. Okay, so enough with that. Let's talk about this separator kit. Now, all of you know that you can buy a dust separator kit and you can mount it to a 5-gallon bucket. And those usually work pretty well. In fact, I've got a video about how you can mount this to a 5-gallon bucket that you can get at Home Depot or Lowe's or anywhere like that. But I want to tell you, the 5-gallon bucket makes a lot of difference. For those of you that have tried to do that, if you're not careful and you have too much suction, those 5-gallon buckets that you could get at a hardware store will just crush from all the vacuum, especially if you have a really good separator like this. This bucket is much more stable than that. And it's got a screw on top. So it screws on like that. There's a little lever here on the side. And what that lever does is sort of locks it on there. And then it's got a nice gasket, rubber gasket up on the inside. So this is way better than just trying to go out and get a 5-gallon bucket. And you can hear how it clicks on there. It clicks on there and seals really well. And it's not going to come unsealed until you press that red lever. The other thing that I really like about their dust collection is what they concentrate on, because they were a vacuum company before they had got into any kind of dust collection like this. And if you don't know what a dust collector does, it takes all the dust and heavy dust, particle dust, fine dust, it separates it out and it drops it into this bucket before it ever gets to your vacuum container. So you know how your shop vacs can get all dirty and crusty and you have to replace the filters? This eliminates that. In fact, I'll show you a quick clip I made of the dust collection system I have that is very similar to this from the Cen-Tec Systems. I've been using my Cen-Tec quick click dust separator now for 18 months, and I have it paired to their larger stainless steel bucket, and it works really well. If you look inside the bucket, you can see everything that's collected in there, and it really does a nice job of picking up the large dust as well as the fine dust. And I've paired it with this rigid shop vac, and if you look in here, you'll see that in the 18 months that I've used the Cen-Tec system, and I also put a dust collection bag in here too, a vacuum bag, because I want to eliminate as much fine dust as I can going into my shop. But in 18 months, you can see that it's still empty. I mean, there's very, very little even fine dust that's going into this unit. So that dust separator just does a wonderful job. So you can see from that clip that this just eliminates all of the dust that goes into your vacuum. So you don't have to be cleaning that thing out all the time or replacing vacuum bags. The other thing that I like about this is that Being a vacuum company, they understand the mechanics of vacuum, and they understand that smooth surfaces and no angles are what really make a difference in the flow of the air. So they have designed this dust collector like no other. It's smooth, it works great. Because it's so smooth, it allows you to collect more fine dust. Dust collection isn't just for woodworkers, okay? If you want to just be cleaning your shop floor or your shop counters or just cleaning out your car or whatever, you would like to have a dust separator. No matter what the dust is, it doesn't have to be wood chips, any kind of dust, it will collect and keep from gumming up your vacuum cleaner. So these work great for just general cleanup as well as dust collection, which is primarily what I use it for. This is about as complete a vacuum or dust collection system that you can get. Let me tell you why I say that. It comes with a 30-foot hose. That is a lot of hose. That's longer than any hose I've got. I think the longest I have is 20-foot. But if you're working in a 2 or 3 car garage and you want to clean your car, a 30-foot hose sure is nice to get all around the perimeter of your garage and be able to get to different parts of your car. As I mentioned, it also comes with adapters for the quick click hose that will allow you to connect this to just about anything in your shop. As I said, they're quick click, so you just click them on there like that. I'll show you some pictures. These fit on virtually every tool that I have. It also comes with a hose to connect this dust separator to your vacuum. And this particular kit comes with a whole bunch of cleaning items. This is something that you would normally see maybe in a regular vacuum system in your house. You know, the smaller wand, the brush, the thin vacuum piece here to be able to get into small spots. It comes with this floor brush here that I think has been designed in kind of a unique way. So you have your bristles on the bottom here. But if you look at the front, you can see that those bristles almost all the way across are about a ½ inch shorter than the bristles on the back. If the bristles are the same height as you're trying to vacuum, if there is any larger debris like sawdust or something like that, you would just keep pushing it forward. But with this gap, it allows that larger debris to go underneath the front, get sucked up in the vacuum, and then the back pushes all the fine dust up. So this really works well. And it comes with 2 extension wands to connect to it that allow you to vacuum up the floor without having to bend over so darn much, as well as connecting it with the quick click system again to your hose allows you to put this piece on here that swivels. So if you're trying to do your vacuuming, this will swivel around like that and make it a lot easier to move the wand. If, for example, you were cleaning your car, if you're using the whole hose like this and you're trying to get in and get down into a corner or something like that, that hose is a little bit hard to turn one way or the other. Well, with the swivel on the hose, it allows you just to swivel like that very easily. So you can get down into tight crevices or kind of get around in corners really simply. I think this is a great little attachment. So it works on its own or it works in conjunction with this wand here with the brush. Now I want to show you something else that I really like about this kit. It comes with a wall hanger. I'm going to show you how I mounted that wall hanger. It takes about 15 minutes. But what that wall hanger allows you to do is to pick this up, hang it on the wall, and get it off of the floor. I don't know about your garage, but I am constantly trying to get things off the floor in my garage. I just struggle with that all the time. Well, having something else on the floor isn't great, so being able to hang this on the wall really works out great. Here's how you mount that. Choose where you want to mount the bucket on the wall, and then put the top piece in first. Make sure that it's level, and then mark all of the holes where you need to drill to insert the anchors for the screws. Using a 1/4 inch drill bit, drill through the marks that you just made. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, screw in the anchor bolts. Use the provided screws to mount the top bracket to the wall. The bucket has 4 different slots to mount the bucket onto the bracket. After putting your bucket on the top bracket, take your bottom bracket and slide it to the position where it's going to fit under the bottom lip of the bucket. Push it up firmly to make sure that there is a little bit of weight on it. Once it's seated, draw a line on the top of the bracket. Remove the bucket and reposition the bracket on the wall. Make sure that it's level, and then you can begin to mark and drill the holes as we did with the top bracket. Screw in the wall anchors and then mount the bottom bracket with the screws. Remount your bucket. It should now sit firmly on the bottom bracket and hang on the top bracket. You are ready to go. I checked out a couple of competitive dust collection kits on Amazon. What I found was both of the kits only come with the hose to connect to your shop vac. Also, both of them are truly kits. You have to mount the dust separator onto the lid to be able to use the system. Now compare those prices to the Cen-Tec price. And remember, first of all, the Cen-Tec unit comes fully assembled. You don't have to put anything together. Just hook the hose on it and go. Also, the Cen-Tec system is the only one that comes ready to hang on the wall and the pieces you need to hang it on the wall, saving valuable floor space. The Cen-Tec system also comes not only with the hose you need to connect to your shop vac, but the 30-foot hose that uses all of the quick click connections that will fit all of your shop tools and fit all of the cleaning accessories that come with it as well. Oh, and I almost forgot. There's a separate option that you can buy here, which is a 4-wheel dolly that fits perfectly to the bottom of this bucket. Now, the other good thing about this is you can put this on your bucket, you can take it down, roll it around where you want to vacuum if you want to, but it works in conjunction with the wall hanger. So when you're done, you can still pick it up off the floor and hang it on the wall. So you kind of get the best of both worlds. A nice little option to think about. Everything that you get will fit into this mesh sack that they include with the kit. One of the things that I like about it is it's zippered. So if you put all your stuff in here and throw it in your trunk or wherever, it's not going to be falling out. And you can take these handles and just hang it up on the wall somewhere. So I just thought that was a nice little addition for them to include with this kit. As I said, this unit sells for $149.50. This kit, with everything you get for that amount of money, is a bargain. In addition to that, the Cen-Tec people have given my viewers a 20% off code, and I'll put that in the description below. Now remember, I receive nothing if you buy any products from the Cen-Tec company. No money changes hands between the Cen-Tec company and myself. Ray simply wants an opinion. He sends me something to look at. A perk is I get to keep it, but all he wants is my opinion. He expects nothing of me in the way of a review. If I do a review, it's only because I think it's something that's really phenomenal that I want to share with you. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, hey, hit me with that thumbs up. I always appreciate that. Have a good day, and I'll see you on the next video.